Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Clo3d, and in this tutorial I'm going to be creating this bag you can see on your screen right now. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more video. So let's begin. Let me just scroll. So then we're going to be using this tool here. So just hold on it. When you hold on it, select the rectangle. You can always select the shortcut S on your keyboard. Select it. Then we're going to draw the rectangular shape. I'm not using any measurement for this, but then you can use any measurement you prefer. So we're going to do this. Yeah, okay. Then I'm going to use the smooth curve. So hold on this. Well, at first, let me just Ctrl Z first. Sorry. Let me quit this. Select Z on your keyboard. I want to deselect this. So, okay, now let's hold on this. Then select smooth curve. Then I'm going to select this dot and then drag it 77.8. Looking at this. So we'll do something like that to see. Okay, let me see if I can get something close to 77.8. Okay, yeah, 77.8 here too. That's fine. So next thing we're going to do is to Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Yeah, we're going to do that. So we're going to copy and paste it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Then okay, you can always rotate it, or you can always flip normal, depending on your choice. So do that, and I don't know. Anyhow, okay. I mean, I will set it properly. Okay. So let me select both and leave them up a bit. Okay. So let me look for the measurement of this. Select Z on your keyboard, then click on this line so you can know the length of this. So it's 880.4. So select S on your keyboard, which is the shortcut. Then right click. Left click. Sorry. So 880.4 will be our width. Okay, and then let's just make this 20. Okay, that's fine. Then we're going to rotate this. I'm going to bring it down here below. Come here, let me zoom closer. So okay, this is fine. Let me bring this to closer to the no, I just need to select this to only alone. Yeah. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I think this is fine. Let me put it at the center. Yeah. Okay, so this is better. So let's select N on our keyboard, which is the shortcut. Select this and select this line. Yeah, that's segment showing. So I'm going to do the same to this side. Do it again. Then let's simulate. Then stop the simulation immediately. If you don't stop it, it's going to fall flat on the surface of your Clo3d. So what you do now is this. What we are going to do first is select A on your keyboard, then A, then select Ctrl A, then right click and freeze. So what we want to do now is to stop our pattern from falling. We are going to change our gravity to 0. You get, so that it can always float. It won't fall, just float. So turn on your simulation. Make sure your simulation is on. Look at it here. Then right click. Then go to simulation properties. Yeah. Then you change this gravity to 0. So Control A and unfreeze. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. These are going to look like. Anyways. So the next thing we are going to do is to zip or use the zipper tool. So let's select this zipper here. So we're going to select this point and we're going to pull it like this. So if you change sides, just click on it and continue your journey. Then double click. We're going to do the same thing to the other side also. Okay. We're going to start from here. We're going to start from this side. You get, so because we started from here for the first one. So we're going to start here too for the second one. So let's start from here. Yes, and do the same thing. Just click and continue and double click. I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, we are good. Then spacebar. Okay, so I'm sure you notice this hole here. Okay, this hole here. So we're going to fix that. I think probably later. So we're going to fix that here and this other side, to both sides. So let's continue. Next now, this is to change the fabric. I'm going to be using the twill. So we're going to do this, select this and drag it to this. Okay, let's simulate again. Yeah, okay, not bad. So another thing I'll do here before we start making some changes in the zipper is to add a pocket here, a zip pocket here. So I can pick any side. Let me use here. So select or let me just select this. Select this, then select the internal rectangle, then just draw a rectangle here. Let me see, for 400. I think 400 is too much. Let's make it 300, and here should be 200. If it's too big, I'll reduce it. So okay, that's fine. Then let's put it here. Let me see. Okay, yeah, this is fine. So we can do this. Control C. Sorry, don't let us do Control C. Sorry, I'm going to right click, then clone as internal shape. Yes. Where's up? Oh my god, that's far. Okay, let me do this. I think I should have done it the other way, but then it's fine. Then bring it outside. Okay, let's do free sewing to this. I'm going to select M on my keyboard. I'm going to start from here. Drag this, drag this, drag this. Then click, hold on shift. I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, yeah, and then click on this. Then we can bring it closer. Then spacebar, yeah. So this is good. You can see our design is not falling down. So that's the that is the effect of the zero gravity. The next thing we're going to do is to add a zipper. Yeah. So let's play with this. So select Z here. Sorry, select Z and select this line and select this line too. Then right click and select distribute internal segment. Make it 2. Yeah, when you make it, we are going to play with this. So I think yes, just drag this first. Yeah, let's move it closer to the sorry, backward a bit. Yeah, I think this is fine. Then let's do like this too. The spacing between both of them. This is not bad. And let's select okay. So we are going to cut this. Cut. Just cut, no cut and sew, and then delete this. So let's add our zip here. So or zipper. So select the zipper, then select this line, double click, select this line and double click, and let's do spacebar. Yeah, it's quite wrinkled, so let's adjust this. Select this, and we're going to change the size to 5. Oh sorry, this is the teeth. Okay, not that. We're going to change the total width to, let's say, 15. Let's see if it's going to work. So enter, then spacebar. Yeah, I think 15 is good. 15 is good. Okay, 15 is good. Well, let's make it 16. Let me see this. Okay, it's fine. There's something we're going to do that will give our bag a better shape, or the final shape you want it to look like. So we're going to move there soon. Let me make some changes here. So our teeth, I'm going to change this to probably let me see 5. Okay, or let's see 7. Okay, so we're going to change this from plastic to probably nylon. Let me see. Yes, so this is how the nylon looks like. Yeah. So what else again? So when we select this zip, what is this zip? Yes, this zip, or this zipper, sorry. Yeah, when we select this, you are going to change it to two-way. From two-way again, change it from head to head. Click on the drop down. So we have 2 zipper already here at the bottom here and at the other side here. Let me show you. Okay, so this is at the other side, so we're going to make it head to head. It's going to be at the top. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we have it here. You can see it here. So you can decide to change the kind of puller you want, anyone you want, and the stopper too. So you can just play around it, and you can also this one too. I need to increase the size too. So I'm going to select the tape and the teeth. They are together already. So let's select it. Let's select it. Sorry. Total width is meant to be 20, since the measurement of this thing I placed below that I used to join these 2 sides together is 20. So let me use 20 for that. Okay, yeah, total width is 20, and let's make this 7. I don't know. And we're going to change our plastic to also nylon, and then let's simulate it and let's see how it's going to look like. Okay, yeah, it's still giving us some wrinkles. So I'm going to also reduce the particle distance. So Control A. Let me stop simulation. Yeah, so let me reduce the particle distance to probably 10 or 7. 10 is fine. Yeah. Okay, let's quickly fix this before we move to the next thing. So I'm going to stop my simulation. So okay, this is this stuff below. Select it. Okay, let's select Z on our keyboard. Select this line, right click, then select distribute between line. Yeah, select OK. And we select X on our keyboard. X, create a point here. Select this side again, just the center line, create a point there. So I want to close this spacing here. So we've done that. So this thing can only be done in the 3D view. Let me simulate it again because that's scattered. Okay, yeah. So I think we are good to go like this. I don't. There's a little error here, but then might not be perfect. But let's do it. Let me select segment sewing. I'm going to select this to this here. Yes, and I'm going to select this to this. Exactly. There might be a little wrinkle here, but it's just to close the hole. Okay. Yeah, I think this is still better. So we've closed that. Let's do that to the other side. Okay. Oh, stop simulation. That's why it's slow. Okay. Okay. Well, let's zoom closer here. I think this is better. Yeah. Oh my God. Looking for the perfect angle so I can get what I want to do. Yes, if I'm right. Yes. Hopefully it closes well. Okay. Okay, this is not bad. We can make do with this. How do I feel something's wrong? I'm not still satisfied with this. Okay, let me select B. Okay. Is this fine? Okay. I'll try it again. Let me start again. I'm not satisfied. Yeah, simulate again. Yes. Okay, stop simulation, select N, do this, and yes, and do this to yes. Let's simulate again. This is better. This is better. Okay, this is better. So okay, we've closed both sides. We have this zipper here, and let me see again. So there's the love shape I did here. So stop simulation, select I think let me create internal rectangle. Yeah, so do I need to create an internal rectangle actually? Well, let me just do that. So let me select internal rectangle, create something. Select A and select this. Yes, yes. So same thing, clone pattern. Just right click, select the internal line and right click and select clone as pattern. So have it by our side and let's drag it. Okay, we're going to do some free sewing now. Select M and select this, drag it around and click, hold on shift, do it, click and simulate. Okay, yeah, we are good. So to give our design a good shape with less wrinkles, let's select Q, then select, you can just select this front and back. Yeah, select both. Yeah, and all you do is right click and click on strengthen, then simulate. Okay, so still might take a while. You can see, I think it's better than that one. So you can just wait for it to look good. Okay, let me select them. I need to, okay, that is fine. I need to make some adjustments here because this place is pushy. Okay. So what I'll do here is to add a graphic. Let me select this graphics pattern. Yeah. And select this. You can use any graphic of your choice, but I'll be using this because that's what I used in that video. So I'm going to place it here. Let's make it 300 or 250. Make it small. Oh my god, it doesn't fit in. I'll put it like that. Okay, yeah, I fit in. Let me place it at the center. Okay, and bring it up a bit. Then right click and then trace as internal shape. This feature is only available in Clo 2024. You won't see this feature in 7.3 or 7.2. So just trace it, and I'm going to delete this. Delete. So select A on your keyboard. Select this line that has been created from the graphic. Then right click again. We're going to clone as pattern. Either you clone as pattern or you can cut and sew, and then you can clone. How do I explain it? Okay, let's do like this. Cut it, cut and sew, then select this, then right click and layer clone over. Yes, that's all. And then spacebar. Yeah, we are good. So this is it. I think what I did was to change the graphics. So I'm going to create another fabric, add a new fabric. Yes. So this is it. So I'm going to select this and select this. So this is our new fabric. So I'll be using knitwear for this. I'm coming. Where is this thing? Supposed to be here. Select this. Yes. I go to type. Change it to knitwear. So this is the knitwear. So you can play around this. The knit per inch. I mean the gauge per inches. Yeah. So anyhow. So and the knit direction you can mess with it. Okay. Okay. So this is what I did. Let me see. Select this. I want to strengthen it. So stop simulation. I think I need to make some changes or adjust this. Also, I need to close this up too. Let me see. Let me make total width to be, let me see, 20 first. So I think this is better than the previous one. So what else again? Looking around. Okay. The next thing we need to do is what I did was I changed the texture. So select the cotton heavy tweed, your fabric, select it. So we're going to go to texture. This is texture. We're going to dump this. Yep. But we are still going to have our texture there. This is it. Don't worry. It's still there. So select this and open texture editor. So there's a graphic I used. You can search for any graphic pattern online. You can go to Pinterest. You see so many graphic pattern there too. So add and let me go to my download. It should be on my download. Okay, yeah, so this is it. Okay, I select open. So I'm still waiting for it to load. Okay, so we have this here. You can scale it. There are different things you can do around here. You can bring it down. Come in. Then select tile on. You can on it. You can see. So you can just play around with it, scale it depending on the way. You can also rotate it. I have tutorial on how to do this. There are lots you can do around though. So let me Ctrl Z. But I'll just leave it like this. Yes, this is how I left mine. So apply and close. Okay, we are good. Let me just remove the solidify so we can see the texture. So on straighten, sorry, not solidify. I don't know why I keep making that mistake. So this is what we have here, and it will still give you can see. I'm trying to zoom closer so you can see the texture as blending with the graphics or the pattern we just added. So we can always change the color of the zipper. So just select the tape first. Select the tape. Then you see something on your property editor. Select this. Then okay, and I'm going to drag this, and I'm just going to use this pen tool and just pick any color. I can decide to pick this. I think I use this for mine, but let me just pick this in this tutorial. When I select this and take your pointer back, you see something like press escape to exit the eyedropper. So just press escape, and I'm going to just copy this color code so I won't be using eyedropper again. So okay, and let me go to the tape tool and do the same thing. Select this and just paste the color code. Yeah, apply. Okay, we can do that for the zip too. I've selected the zip. Yeah, so I want to change to the color of the, so um Control V, apply and close. We are going to do the same thing here. So change the color. Okay. Okay, sorry, I forgot to change it to the teeth. Yeah. Okay. And also let's select our zip too. I'm going to change this to also this, Control V and apply and close. Yes. Okay, we are good. Let's just make some changes here. So select your fabric. Yes, we're going to go to the knitwear. From there, I think it's up. Yes. So we can change the color into 3, I think 4. Yeah, 4. Okay, there are options too. You can apply your amount. Okay, I just found out about this. Okay, but then I use 4, so you can just select 4 different colors. Your choice. So I'm going to use this eyedropper tool. We just select this. Just, yeah, escape. Sorry, escape and apply and close. I can select these two and use the eyedropper to select this orange. Yeah, that's what I did. So apply and close, and I'm going to select this and use this. Okay. I think I'm use this ash. Escape, apply and close, and I'm going to select this and use this. It's not looking like the one I did in my on my own, but anyway, it's just part of the tutorial. Apply and close, and then we have this. So you can see in shape. So this is just how I created the laptop bag design. Okay, for more detail, I'll just be adding this to the tutorial. So what I'll do now is to unzip this bag. So let me first solidify this bag or strengthen. I don't know why I keep saying that. Okay, so I'm going to strengthen this bag. So let's strengthen it. No, I can only see that in the 3D viewport. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side too. We're going to do something. So I want to create a pocket inside the bag, but first I need to unzip the bag. So what you will do to unzip the bag, make sure your simulation is not on. Then we'll select the first zip. I'm going to select the zip. I'm going to drag it. Okay, yeah, it has moved. So keep dragging, boy. Yeah, come down. Yeah, need to drag it to the it might look bad in shape, so but then it's just it. So if you don't want to do this next part, you can just skip it. You can just render. Sorry, I'm coming. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, let me simulate. So this is what I would do. Let me put this down. So I'm going to select this. Yeah, with these two. So when I select that, I'm going to bring this here. Okay, I'm going to reselect it back because I want this gizmo to be at the bottom so that it can rotate well. Okay, what am I doing? Sorry. Control Z, select. Hold on, select, and to do this, after selecting it, I'll just move my hand from shift and reselect again. Yes. So I want this gizmo to be yes, so I can, yes, this is what I want. Oh, this did not follow. I wanted this to follow. I'll start again. Let me do it again. So I'm going to select this and select this. Hold on shift, and I'm going to select this too. Yes. Then I'm now going to select, remove your hand from shift and select this point. Yes, remove your hand from shift and select this point. Don't need to hold on shift. So then you bring this down. Exactly. I want it to bend like this. I just need to do one or two. It's quite better like this. Yes. So and click on space bar to simulate. Yeah, I think I'm good like this. So we are good to go. So let's say we want to add a pocket inside. I just want to add just a single pocket. Then you can use the same method to add as many pockets in your bag as possible. So so I'm going to create an internal line. Selecting this, I'm going to drag it here. So you can create it as big or as small as you want. Okay, yes. So I'm going to select A, select this. I'm going to do this. So what you do next is to right click and clone as pattern. So we can add it here. Yeah. Okay. This is going to be looking like knitwear. I don't want it as knitwear. Yes, I don't want it as knitwear. So okay. So I don't want this as knitwear. So I'm just going to select this. I need to add another copy of fabric because I want to change the fabric. Okay. Select this. Sorry, select the pattern and now select this fabric too. Yes. So I'm just going to bring it inside. So after placing your pattern properly, we can now stitch it. So I'm going to use free sewing. So select M on your keyboard, and we're not going to cover the top because that is the space. We're just going to start from here. Start from here, 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 and bring it here. Yes. You do the same thing. Okay, let me start from the other side because that's where this thing started from. Here, 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 and here. I think what I'll do is to freeze this. I want to freeze this. So let me just freeze this bag. Yeah, freeze this. So I don't want it to move. So freeze and let's simulate. Can see. So we have this pocket shape there. So I want to change it or change the fabric to a mesh like. So okay. So let's stop the simulation. Can always change the particle distance to probably we can make it 10, though not necessary. Not necessary, sorry. Exit this. Then we're going to change this. Have a mesh fabric. You might need to look for this or go to connect dots closer to get fabric there. So to get this mesh fabric, so okay, so let me search for mesh. I'll be mesh, sorry. So let me put it here. I think it is the right mesh. Why is it blinking? Okay, we have this. So it's not showing properly, but this is the mesh anyway. net like. So that's the mesh. So we can also do one or two things again. Let me select Z, or let's select both line. We don't even need both lines, sorry. Just select this, then create an internal line. Yes, just one. I can make it 50. Okay, 50 is too much. Let me see 20. Okay, 10. 10 is fine. Then I'll just cut this and sew this. Cut and sew. So select A, and I'll just put this fabric on it. Yeah, so not bad. Then you can take your time to add more details, maybe extra pocket with zip and everything inside this bag. But this is just the basic idea on how you can add details inside your bag. Yeah, so this is it. So we can always render it. If you want to render it, we can close this bag, or then you can do that on your own. To close the bag the same way, you can always zip it back up. You just have to zip this back up, or I don't want to touch. You have to zip it back up. I don't want to touch that. So let me just Ctrl Z this. Yeah, and let's go to render to see the result. Okay, coming. Render, and let me go to setting. I'll just use 1080 by 1080. So okay, 1080 by 1080. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's simulate. Oh, sorry, let's turn on our render engine. So we have something like this. Yeah, yes, we have something like this. Though you can spend time adding extra details. If I keep on going, it's going to be a very long tutorial, but this is just the basic idea. And then if you don't want to go to this stage, you can just render your bag closed, like something like what you can see on your screen right now. So, and you can play with the lightning. If you are not fine with the lightning, you can always go to this side and probably change it to light 7. So you can play around with Clo3d light template or anything. So this is just how to create this laptop bag, or this bag on Clo3d. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more videos. See you again.